Hey loves, hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Nausheen Mobeen. I make fashion, lifestyle, beauty vlogs and do fun challenges with my friend. So if anything fall under your genre, please consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. Okay, so talking about the challenge, today I'm gonna do my Instagram family controls my life for a legit 24 hours. So I've been watching this challenge on YouTube for so long and I wanted to do one for myself, so here we go. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, so today I'll be posting a few posts on my Instagram throughout the day, and my Instagram family will choose a one between the two, and I'll do it right there. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so the time right now is 10:45 and I'm gonna do my breakfast. So the first poll on my Instagram goes this: choose my breakfast, and the polls will be chocos or chai. So I really wanna have chai biscuit for my breakfast.
Oh really? You in what army?
Cause अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बारिश हुई है ना, मेरा मूड बन गया है कि चाय बिस्किट. My Instagram family knows me well, so I think it will be chai biscuit. Let's see. I'll wait for at least 10-15 minutes and see the result. Here is the result after 15 minutes. Chocos has won by 54 and chai biscuit at 46. I really wanted the chai biscuit jeete, but
No! God, please, no! No! No!
but no worries, chocos. अभी 5 मिनट पहले तक चाय बिस्किट जीत रहा था, मैंने तो चाय भी निकाल ली थी अपने लिए, but we'll have chocos and I'll be right back. Bye. Okay, so moving on to the second post of the day. So I am feeling super lazy, and मैंने Instagram पे पूछा है कि whether I should take a bath or not. So the option is you, of course, and the second option is dry day. So I really hope they choose dry day. So let's see. We'll wait for 15 minutes and see what's the result. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes and the answer is dry day. Oh my god.
Stop it. Get some help. Stop it.
Once the atmosphere now is a really chill, और गीजर भी खराब है तो सच में नहाना नहीं था, and it is a dry day for me. Thank you so much. Now I'll chill my features and watch Netflix. Okay, so I'll meet you at around 1:32ish when I'll have my lunch. So wait for the poll. Okay, so moving on to the third poll. It is at the lunch time and I'm gonna ask you what I'll have for lunch. So the first option is rajma. I'll upload it here anyways. So first option is rajma with extra chawal, and the second option is veg sandwich. तो ये दोनों चीज़ थी जो आज मम्मा ने बनाया है. I really hope कि राजमा चावल आए, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे क्रेविंग हो रही है राजमा चावल की. मैंने मम्मा को इसलिए प्रीवियस नाइट बोला था बनाने के लिए. सो रियली होपिंग कि राजमा चावल. आई विल वेट अगेन फॉर 10-15 मिनट्स एंड सी व्हाट्स द रिजल्ट. ओके, सो आफ्टर लॉन्ग वेट, कम से कम आधा घंटा हो गया रहेगा. सो द रिजल्ट इज राजमा चावल बाय इट हैज़ वन बाय 61% एंड वेज सैंडविच हैज़ 40%. तो किसी ने ज़्यादा भाव नहीं दिया इस वेज सैंडविच को. सो राजमा चावल खाएंगे आज हम, राजमा विद एक्स्ट्रा चावल खाएंगे आज हम. सो आई ईट राजमा चावल एंड यू ऑल एन्जॉय द टाइम लैप्स ऑफ मी हैविंग राजमा चावल एंड यू क्रेविंग. बाय. Hi, so it's the pamper session and for pampering my skin, I have this Good Vibes brightening face pack. This is a clay face pack. It retails for rupees 225 for 50 gram. The work it does is clears your skin out, it nourishes your skin and leaves your skin brighter and softer. Coming on to the hair, we have my absolute favorite Himalaya Protein Hair Cream. So this one retails for 80 rupees for 100 gram. It is enriched with chickpea and amla. The work this one does is nourishes your hair, make your hair soft and frizz free. To know more about this hair mask, you can watch my previous video, that is my top 10 products under rupees 100. So I'll put up the poll and let's see what my audience choose for me. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes and I've got my results. So by 76%, Good Vibes has won this poll. So I'll quickly apply this face mask and I'll meet you. Whoop.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
So I have my face mask on, so I'll keep it for 10-15 minutes and then I'll wash it off. In the meanwhile, I'll bake something for myself. So again, let's see what my followers want me to eat. I have two options. First is hot chocolate and the other is cookie and cream cake. Both will be okay, like kuch bhi choose karo, it will be good. So let's see what they want me to bake. So it's been 15-20 minutes and I've got my result, and the clear winner for this craving is, so let's start baking. Hi guys, so I'm back, done with the dinner, bathed, check, I have dolled up in my PJs. This is a unicorn onesie, so yeah, I have dressed in my PJs. Now I'm gonna watch some Netflix series. So I've never really started watching Friends, and second is I have watched Money Heist 4 or 5 times. So I'll put them in my poll, on my Instagram poll, and let's see what people decide. Also, to accompany with Netflix, I have 2 options for a midnight snack. Both of them are ice cream. We have a classic vanilla and Belgian chocolate. So kuch bhi chalega mujhe. See what people decide. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, so I've got the results. So I'll be watching Friends for the first time, and it has won by 71%. And for the ice cream, okay, it was obvious. A Belgian chocolate has won by 78%, and classic vanilla को वापस किसी ने भाव नहीं दिया. 22%. So here is the result. Now I'll enjoy my Netflix and ice cream. So yeah guys, those were all the fun stuff for today. I really hope that you liked the video, and if you have did so, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, hit the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you came from Instagram, thank you so much for answering my poll. अगर आप लोग ये आंसर नहीं करते तो this video couldn't be possible. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा active मैं वहीं रहती हूँ, and I post engaging stories so we can know each other better. I'll meet you very soon in my next video. Until then, XOXO. Bye bye.